Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to install Spring Tool Suite in Eclipse and set up your first Spring Boot project. First, open your Eclipse IDE in your system. Make sure you have a stable internet connection. Open your Eclipse. Go to the Help menu in the top navigation bar. Click on Eclipse Marketplace. This is where we can install various plugins for Eclipse. In the search bar, just type Spring. Here you find Spring Tools, Spring Tool Suite 4.27.0 release version. This is the latest version as of now, but if there is any updated version available, you can install that too. Just click on Install. A window will appear asking you to select components. Make sure to select all components. Just mark it all. Click Confirm to proceed. The installation process will begin and it might take few minutes depending on your internet speed. After a few moments, a license agreement window will appear. Read the terms carefully or just scroll down quickly. If you trust Eclipse, select I accept the terms of the license agreement and click Finish. Now it is installing. It takes some time. Now during installation, Eclipse may ask, do you trust these signers? Simply check the box that says PGP and click Trust Selected. This ensures the plugin are safe to use. Once the installation is complete, you will see a pop-up asking you to restart Eclipse to apply changes. Click on Restart Now. Eclipse will restart and STS will be successfully installed. Now that we have a Spring Tool Suite plugins is installed, let's create our first Spring Boot project. In Eclipse, go to the file, then click on New, Others. A new window will open. In the search bar, just type Spring. Here you select a Spring Starter project and click Next. Here you will be asked to select your build tool. You can choose between Maven and Gradle. I am selecting Maven as it is widely used in enterprise applications. Next, you need to choose packaging type. Select jar if you are building a standalone application. Select var if you are building a web application. Since I am creating a simple Spring Boot application, I will choose jar. Here you can choose your preferred programming language. Since I am using Java, I will select Java. Eclipse automatically detects the Java version installed on your system. Since I have JDK 17, it is already selected. Now fill in the project details. Group name, this is usually your organization or package name. Here it is saying to give artifact name. This is your project name. I am naming it my first project. Description, you can add a short description about your project if you want. Package name, this is the root package of your project. Here you give the package name. Then just click on next. If you want to add dependencies during project creation, you can do it here. However, you can also add dependencies later in the pom.xml file. Click Next, then click Finish, and Eclipse will start building your project. It may take few seconds as it downloads required dependencies and configures the project. In the Project Explorer section of the Eclipse, you will see a new folder with your project name. Inside the project, you will find src main Java, contains your Java files and main application class. src main resources holds application properties and configuration files. Here you can find pom.xml. This is where you can manage dependencies for your Maven project. Maven dependencies, this contains all the jars files required for your project. Now you are ready to start developing powerful Spring Boot applications. If you face any problem during installation or project setup, feel free to comment below and I will be happy to help. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more tech tutorials. See you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.